people, welcome to Closet Confections. I'm your host Kendra, and today we're gonna play dress up. Yes, so some people play video games or garden in their spare time. Me, I like to play dress up in my closet, but that's why you guys subscribe. In any case, I got a lot of fun new pieces in from Rent the Runway, and we are going on vacation actually tomorrow. So as I was packing and trying to like figure out my outfits and whatnot, I just kind of went down this rabbit hole, and I thought, might as well catch it on film. So sit back, relax, and let's enjoy the outfits. So first up, we have this super fun piece from a brand called Rhode. So I discovered Rhode on Instagram, or I noticed that a lot of my favorite Instagrammers were wearing these cute little mini dresses, and I wanted to join in on the fun too. So I'm in love. So these dresses run in the range from like $350 to like $500 regular price. So I thought, perfect way to dip my toe into the water, see how I like it with Rent the Runway. And I am very, very pleased. I think I might actually pony up and buy one of these for myself. But of course, your girl is a bargain shopper, so I will find one on sale. Yes, I could not resist these fun polka dots that come in like a rainbow of colors. This is so fun and festive, and it's still hot as heck in New York City right now. It's August, but I am starting to kind of think of like fall pieces. So I thought this would be a great like fall transition dress because it's lightweight enough. You could probably wear it like in a summer evening, but come fall, just pair it with like either a pair of tights, or most likely I would do like some tall, like maybe over the knee suede boots, and maybe throw on like a black fedora, and it would be a look. So because this dress makes like a pretty bold statement, like I would say this pattern is like, definitely very busy. I tried to keep my accessories minimal but still fun to match the vibe of the dress. So I am wearing these yellow dipped lucite hoops that I got from Aldo a long time ago, and I paired it with a black Gucci belt because the waistline here, as you can see, is just like elastic. So I felt like a belt kind of like pulled it together a little bit more. And then for shoes, because this is like a shorter hemline, I decided to go with just some sandals. And I dug out of the back of my closet these Valentino like studded, they have like a little tiny bit of a heel, but gladiator sandals that I bought a while back. They're jelly sandals, and I just thought that they were cute with this dress, like just a barely there like low heel sandal to really make the dress the star of the show. And of course, to make it fabulous, I would definitely pop on a pair, oops, if I can get them on, pop on my signature Prada shades. And then for a handbag, I would probably grab just something simple. Again, this black leather tote that I got from Stod. And there you go. It's just a really cute, fabulous look. And again, just to make it fall friendly, you could toss on like maybe like a leather, like a crop leather jacket, maybe some over the knee boots, or even a pair of cute ankle boots would look nice with this. And there you have it. So fun. So next up, we have another gorgeous dress from Rhode. I love it. Oh, I think I actually might buy this one. So this one has pockets. You guys know I can never resist a dress with pockets. Oh, I love it. It's just this flowy, it's probably a maxi. I'm 5'7", and I'm wearing it with some like wedge espadrille heels that are kind of high. So keep that in mind. So it's more like almost at my ankles right now, but if I wore it with flats, it would come probably right to the top of my foot like I like my maxis to do. Oh, but I love this dress. So let me come in and show you guys the details. It has this like ruffle high neck, and then in the back it's a halter and it ties up, but it fully covers your bra. I'm wearing a strapless bra right now, and it's just so cute and comfortable. I am most definitely packing this one on vacation. I actually might even wear it on the trip down. We're gonna drive over to the Poconos, and this is so cute. So for accessories, this gives me like a very summery vibe. So of course I paired it with my new boater hat that I got from Lack of Color. They make the best hats at a really good price point. And then I'm wearing with my pink lucite earrings that I picked up from J. Crew. These are like an oldie. I've had these for quite some time. And then the dress has like these light pink details, if you guys can see. So I thought it would be fun to pair it with my castanier heels that I showed you guys in my recent haul video. I think I picked these up at either Blue Fly or Net-a-Porter. They both have these shoes. And then I think for a handbag, you guys know my favorite, my Colt Gaia Arc Tote, I think would go perfectly with this look. And you are just ready to go to like a vineyard, a nice little picnic in the park, just ready for just a day of fun. So next up, we have this beautiful shirt dress by Ten Crosby by Derek Lam, and I love it. You know, back when we were working in offices and whatnot, this is exactly the kind of thing that I would have worn to work this time of year. So I love the fact that it's like a crisp, classic shirt dress, but it has some very fun details that keep it from being boring. So I told you guys before, I really like preppy style, but I like preppy with a little bit of a twist, and this is exactly what I'm talking about. So you have this collar right here, which you could button it all the way up and give it more of like a conservative look, but I think it's more flattering for me to kind of leave it open a bit. It has this ruffled detail on the collar, and then it has these different stripes. And then what's really fun is this, and kind of funky, it's this asymmetric hem. I love this. I think this is such a fun detail. And then it kind of transitions into this pink down at the bottom for like a fun pop of color. How cute and how fun is this? So for accessories, I went with my Colt Gaia geometric hoops. We love these. And then I am wearing my new Bar 3 sandals from Macy's with that cute little bauble heel at the bottom. And then I'm wearing these clear lucite bracelets that I bought, I think from like a New York City street vendor like years ago. And then to kind of play up the shoes and the bangles, I would probably carry my Stod handbag. It's clear and it has this yellow croc effect leather clutch on the inside. And I like how the yellow pastel kind of adds an extra pop of color, because I don't want to be too matchy-matchy having like blue and pink all the way head to toe. But yeah, I love this outfit so much. It's super cute. You could wear it for like a brunch. If you do have like some sort of business, like a Zoom call or something like that, you know, you might want to put this on and like, you know, some fun earrings or even like some conservative pearls and whatnot. And it's totally business on the top, party at the bottom. And I just think that this is a great look. Very feminine, very classic, but it still has a bit of zhuzh. All right, peeps, so for this next outfit, can you even handle this vibe? So I just feel like a pretty woman, like after. I love this dress so much. Like if the races were open, like the racetrack, I would totally wear this outfit. I think it's so cute, so chic. I'm in love. So this is a linen dress and it's by a brand called Nicholas, and it's super cute. It does have a few qualms and I will explain. So I mentioned I'm 5'7". So the length is perfect, but I have a very short torso. It's funny, I'm actually like petite portions from like here. I have a very high waist and all of my height is basically in my legs. So I have a friend who's like 5'2", and when we sit down, we're literally the same height because that's how short my torso is. So with that being said, these straps are way too long. So it's a Rent the Runway dress, so I'm just gonna deal with it. But if whenever I purchase dresses that are very long like this, I just take it to the tailor and have them probably like take like an inch off, and then it would fit perfectly. But I love this square neckline, and what really drew me to this dress were these buttons down the side. I feel like that really makes the dress. It has a drop waist silhouette, so it's kind of fitted here in the hips, and this linen, I just realized this dress has pockets. What? I did not realize this dress had pockets. Now, granted, they're in like a really awkward place. Like, I don't know who would want a pocket way down here, but I just fell in love all over again. All right, I digress. Anyway, it comes with this belt that has the double belt loops right here. And for accessories, I am wearing my hat, my straw hat. It's like an oversized brim. I got this from And Other Stories a few years ago, and it's like a dupe of the Jacquemus Santon hat, which is kind of on my wish list. This kind of fills that purpose, but I might just go ahead and get the Jacquemus hat if I ever see it. And then I'm wearing these Rachel Kami clear lucite earrings that I love. And I just slapped on, I have 3 of these bangles. I had on 2 earlier, so I threw on the 3rd one. And then we are wearing our Cult Gaia Bauble Hill pumps that I showed you guys in my recent haul video. And for a handbag, I felt like this outfit just begged to be worn with my Staud Moreau bag. I felt like these little chocolate beads and the wood and the macrame really played off these wooden buttons here on the dress. I love this look so much. I think it's so chic and ladylike. It gives me sort of like a retro vibe as well. Like this definitely could pass as like a vintage outfit. Oh, you guys, I love it. Hey peeps, so next up we have the perfect dress for the woman who can't decide. When I saw this fun 2-tone print, I could not resist. So it's this beautiful lavender color on the left hand side, and then on the right we have this fun sort of coral or like orangey color. Super cute, and I love it. So this dress is long. I am 5'7", and even with a pair of like 4-inch heels on and tying the shoulder straps pretty tightly up top, this sucker still kind of skims the floor. So definitely a dramatic look. And for any of my tall lady viewers out there, this is the dress for you. The brand is Cynthia Rowley, and she has lots of fun pieces. And so for accessories, I decided to go with another straw hat. This one I got from Etsy, and it's vintage actually. And I like how it has different woven patterns here. And this one, and also too, the one from And Other Stories that I just had on, they both have chin straps, so they tie under the chin like that Jacquemus hat. But I like to just take it and tie it in the back. I thought that looked kind of better with this particular outfit and the last one. So I'm also wearing these gold hoops with this orange fringe that like perfectly matches this color here. And these I got from H&M like so long ago. Oh my God, these are so old. And then for shoes, I'm wearing a pair of suede espadrille wedges. These are actually a souvenir. I got these when we went to Madrid like years ago. We went to a shop called Casa Hernan's, and apparently they invented the espadrille. So I got to watch them hand make the espadrilles, and so these are always fun. It always gives me like fond memories whenever I wear these. And then of course I paired it with my circular straw woven tote that I got from Zara a few years back. Still going strong. And that is the look. Next dress is an absolute stunner. It's by the brand Farm Real, which I fell in love with in my previous haul with Rent the Runway. And oh, it's so cute. This is like totally my vibe. I've really been feeling those like off the shoulder, puffy sleeves, sort of romantic dresses this season. And this one has such fun, vibrant colors. I just love it. So I will come in close, and you can see it has these really nice button details right here. These aren't functional buttons, but they're sort of like beaded yellow buttons, which I think are really fun and festive. And then I am pairing it with that raffia belt that I showed you guys in my recent haul video with accessories. And again, this belt goes with so many of my like summer dresses, especially when things just have like that like plain elastic waist that just kind of like, I don't know, just hangs there and doesn't really do much. I feel like this belt just adds that one little extra touch to kind of elevate your outfit. I decided to go ahead and leave on these orange fringe earrings because they match perfectly. So why not? And then I am wearing it with this vintage straw clutch that I picked up when we went antiquing in the Hudson Valley like a couple of years ago. And then for shoes, I of course paired it with my Cult Gaia heels because they go with pretty much everything because they're clear. I'm definitely bringing this one with me on vacation because it's gorgeous and it just screams summertime. Alright peeps, so for this last dress, I absolutely saved the best for last. I love this dress so much. Like, if I had to have my personality and my style like summed up in one outfit, this will probably be it. So it's classic, it's feminine, it's girly, it has pockets, and I love it. It's by one of my favorite designers. So this is Polo by Ralph Lauren. I love his pieces. If you just want something that's classic, timeless, will never go out of style, like Ralph Lauren is what I turn to. So this dress is linen, I believe, and it has this great oversized like gingham picnic print. It's smocked at the tops for a stretchy kind of fit, and then it has these straps here. So the buttons, you can undo the buttons, but I think the strap still stays on. So I don't know, it's kind of like I appreciate the detail, but it's not necessarily functional. So I feel like the dress sort of speaks for itself. So I didn't have to do much in the way of accessories. I could, of course, toss on a straw hat, which would look gorgeous with this look. But here I just put on these white like petal dewdrop earrings that I got recently from J. Crew. And then I'm wearing my Bar 3 sandals from Macy's, clear, go with everything, cute little heel. And then, of course, my Cult Gaia vacation bag. This bag is definitely going with me on vacation because, as I showed you guys in a previous video, it packs flat. Like, it opens up and I can just like stick it into my luggage, no problem. I love this outfit. All right, gang, so that is it. I tried on, I think, 7 gorgeous dresses for you guys. Would love to hear your favorite down in the comments. I think for me, I started and ended with my favorites. So I definitely love that colorful dress from Rhode, the mini dress with the pleats. Oh, love that dress. And of course, this gorgeous gingham Ralph Lauren number. Can't go wrong with a classic. But yeah, let me know what you guys like down in the comments. And thank you so much for tuning in, listening to me talk about clothes, play dress up like a little kid. I appreciate you guys so much. If you haven't already, give this video a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe and hit the bell for notifications. I put out videos like this weekly, sometimes twice. And until next time, stay classy and stay fabulous.